Welcome, this is Brenda, and in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how you can organize your Google Drive easily into folders. So here I am in my Google Drive, just at drive.google.com, and under the New button I'll see this folder option, and I'm going to select a name of a folder, and you can be as descriptive as you want. So, I may just have something called my Edmentum English Resources. And I want to know that it's mine and not shared with someone else, so I'll put my name at the end of it and I'll say create. If I want a folder to show at the top of my list, because if I get a lot of folders, then sometimes I'll just put an asterisk at the beginning of it, because Google will organize these alphabetically and it knows that the asterisk symbol kind of comes before the letter A, so that's a good thing. So, this is my important files, I'll just call it that. This is just a little sample I'm making. So when I go to my drive, I can see that that's going to show up at the top. And then when I want to add something to this folder, I want to make sure I open the folder first. Okay, and then let's say that I'm going to create a new document. At the top it tells me what folder I'm in, so then I will click which document I'm going to make, whether it's a doc, sheet, slides, etc. Or if, let's say I'm going to go to my shared with me and I have something that I need to organize, if I click this arrow to the left of my drive, it'll show me all of my folders. And I can drag and drop these into the folders when the blue gets to the blue. If I have multiple folders or documents that I want to move into a folder, if I just simply hold my control key, you can see I can randomly select these and I can drag and drop them into the folder as needed. Now, if you want a folder within a folder, just simply click on the folder that you want, have a main root folder, and then do new folder and create layers of folders. And you can see that if you open a folder, you can view folders within folders by just clicking the little arrow inside, and you'll be able to see those folders that you have. If you are a Google Classroom user, whether you are a student or a teacher, you want to make sure that you never delete or move the classroom folder that is in your drive. This classroom folder is created by Google Classroom. It automatically puts your work for each class that you actually create through Google Classroom in that folder. So this folder needs to stay it is. What I typically like to do is at the end of every year, I make a folder within that Google Classroom and I move my old stuff into there. So like if I'm going to make one for last year, I'm going to call it my 2019-2020 Google Classroom folders. And then I will drag and drop my old stuff from last year into that folder and keep only my new items for the current year sitting outside of that folder. So good luck. Keep your drive organized. It will help you find things more easily as years go by.